Welcome. This video shows us how to rename the converted JPG questions into the format, into the name format that is required by the CBT software. So in the last video, we converted these questions into JPEG, and then we have all these. All right, so 01, 02, and all these to 35. So to rename all these numbering or all these JPG files, so you have to open the Sky High utility app, which will be given to you. So once you open that Sky High utility app, okay, the default is file renamer. So you have to select a file in the folder that you want to rename. So on the desktop, I will go to Word to JPG, okay, and then let me start with the English. So pick any file first. So let me just pick number 1. You can pick any one. Let me say number 9. Just one. Select a file and then you click open. So every other thing inside that place will be uploaded automatically. So now there are 35 questions, or there are 35 files that needs to be renamed. So the next thing is, this is not for termly exam, it's for entrance. So you pick EES, that is entrance examination. All right, so it is not first time, it's not second time, it's not third time. We need to convert for EEX. All right, so I'm converting English, that's what I selected. So by default it's still in English, so you click rename, and that has been done. Okay, so you can pick another file again. Let's go to you see, this has been named automatically like that. Let's go to another file, that's general knowledge. Now let me pick any one at random and then open. It comes up. Then I call general paper GMP. You remember in the getting started GMP, so rename it. That is done as well. So let's go to third one. It has been named automatically, you can see. So the third one, let's say MTH, open. So call it MTH. So instead of doing all this one by one, the software makes it easy. So let's go to next object. So pick quantitative reason now, anyone at random. Just pick one subject and click open. Every other thing comes up. So how many do I have here? 20. So this is quantitative, and that will be QTR. You rename it. Okay, I think the next one should be verbal now. So open anyone at random, depends on you. Okay, let me pick 11. Like, you can pick any number, so it's not sensitive to any number you pick. And then this is VBR that I called it. So you click rename, and that is done completely. So I'm done using this Friday now, so I can close this. So right now you can open your open the folder Word to JPG file, and let's see, everything has been renamed now automatically. So if you are using the trial version, you will not be having access to this Sky utility app. So this is the format in which the questions will be renamed. So English is the subject, so that is 1. The first converted file is the first question. So let me open it to see. This is going to be question number 1. You know that by default you don't put question number in the setting of the questions. So this is going to be the question number 24. So because you are using trial version, you have to name all these manually. So you can just do it to just start with 5 questions, so that you can have limited numbers to rename or to name. So you just simply put 1_ENG-EX. So another one, maybe number 2_ENG-EX. So when you get to mathematics, you can do the same thing too, just 1_. So once you have purchased the software, you get the Sky High utility app that will help you to auto rename all these automatically. Even if you have 100 here, 100 questions or 100 files, so automatically everything will be named as appropriate. So you can see within few seconds we're already done naming all this. So if it is QTR as well, you must be able to understand this QTR is quantitative reasoning. The EEX means entrance examination, number 1 means the first question, so 1 underscore QTR dash EX. This is number 14 underscore QTR dash EX. So that's the way to rename all this. So next thing to do is to take up all this into the software where it is needed. So let me copy all these English and then go to the Sky CBT. Okay, that's the demo here. So under questions, the English, come here and you see it's empty, put it inside. All right, that is ready. So let me go to the next thing under the word to JPG, copy general paper, Control copy, and go to the location for the entrance examination and drop it just inside that general paper. Okay, so next you just copy and paste mathematics, copy all and drop them inside that location where it is required by the software. The mathematics, okay, mathematics, and copy quantitative reasoning, Control C, quantitative reasoning, put it right in here. And then the last one is the verbal. You copy it and paste it inside the folder for the verbal reasoning. So right now, inside the location of the software, you see, let me close this now, close everything. So this is Sky High, this SAC demo. This is the software itself. Inside that folder, so there's a main folder that holds all the information. You are the one that will create that one by yourself, maybe your server or your computer. So inside that place is where we have the software, and this software created every other thing. So if you put the software elsewhere on your desktop, you see what happens is that everything will be scattered. So that is why you create a folder, and inside that folder is where you drop the main software, which is this entrance examination CBT. Alright, so once that is dropped here, it is one that will create all other folders, so that if you are bringing up your pictures, you put the pictures inside here. If you have your result, it will be generated inside here. All the questions, they are also here. So I've put everything right here. So everything is in the same folder, in the same location as software. So anytime you are starting up the software, you open it up now, it comes up to the candidates data, so they can input their credentials. The questions are available, we've put them here already. The answers have been loaded also already into the software, so the candidates can now sit, input their details, and then practice or the start exam. That is how to get started and to use the Sky CBT. Thank you.